Paying with Easypaisa on Crunchyroll. In today's video, you are going to learn how to pay on Crunchyroll with Easypaisa. In order to do that, you need to make sure you have an Easypaisa debit or Visa card. So this is how it looks. You just have to need one. This is how Easypaisa card looks like. You just have to be one, and then what you have to do is you simply have to go to the control, then you have to click on your profile. Obviously you can do this after logging in, and then you have to click on this 14-day trial as this is appear here. And then what you have to do is it is a premium option, and there you have three options. For the premium, you have to select one according to you. So I'm just going to choose the basic one, and after choosing the basic one, you guys can easily put your gift card details right here. So you just have to put your Easypaisa card details right here, and that's how you will be able to use Easypaisa for payment on Crunchyroll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.